So here they are. They're out and about in Europe now. So, and in dealers, the President fan kit for the Washington to stop you grilling it. Most importantly, if you look just under the white paper, there's a sticker, warranty sticker from President. And on the back of this other kit, look, there's another sticker. Fantastic move by President. I'd recommend you get the dealers to fit the fans. They're not difficult to fit, but you have to cut the warranty and comes with a sticker, but still better that you have on your receipt. I don't know, bought from XYZ, modified fan kit added. So price is €19.90 per fan plus shipping. Other markets, it's different prices depending on the rate of VAT and the like in the country where you're buying it from. But they're out there. Little cute fan. So we'll be popping one on a Washington later. We have one Washington with the Noctua fan kit, which we've run since day one. And now we'll try this one. And we'll be back with a video, see how noisy, how not noisy it is. And as I say, get on to the dealers. They're out there. They're either on the way from France to where your dealer is, depending on travel. And it was Bastille Day in France, so not much happens also on that. You might have to wait a little while, but they're out there. So if you need them to stop your Washington from getting excessively hot, these are the bad boys you need.